Okay, I want to go through a few of the basics for what we've covered in class so far about scripting in Blender. So we need to be on the scripting tab up here, and then we'll select a new document and create text. And we just start with importing our Blender Python library here. Now, the first thing that I would suggest doing here is deleting all of the objects. So I've got this example code that I posted from our first class on Blender, and this shows you how to just select everything and then delete everything. And this is kind of nice because it means that every time we run this, we're working with a blank slate. So if I right now I'm on my default, I just started a new project, so I've got a camera and a cube, but now I really start from a blank slate, which is kind of a nice thing to do. Now remember, there's a few ways to navigate this. If we want to add objects, let's add in a donut here because it looks cool. I can then copy and paste this in, and now I've got this, and it will fill this in with all the default values, which we may or may not need some of these values. So let's just see what we have here. So it looks like these are probably going to control something about the size, the rotation. We don't need the alignment. That will always be the default. Let's leave this like this. Okay, if we run this, now we're getting one of these torus objects. And so the way I got this right was I manually added the torus, the donut, and then I copied the code into here. And if we want lots of these, we can do for I in range, say 10, and we'll make the location I, and let's make this one random. Import random up here. I think it's like random dot random. Now this will give us a value between 0 and 1, so we'll multiply it by, I don't know, I, whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's see what happens. Oh, didn't like that. Right. Nice. So we've got a scattering of donuts all over the place, and every time we run this, we get different donuts. This is really, really the first basics of how to add objects with our Blender scripting.